Welcome back to Next Gen Drive, where we break down the cars that are shaping the roads of tomorrow. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the 2026 Kia Sportage, a compact SUV that's been winning fans across the globe for its bold style, versatile performance, and impressive value. For 2026, Kia has pushed the Sportage further in design, technology, and efficiency, making it a serious contender in one of the most competitive segments on the market. From the first glance, the 2026 Sportage grabs attention with its striking exterior design. Kia's Opposites United design philosophy is on full display here, blending futuristic lines with practical SUV proportions. Up front, the signature Tiger nose grille has grown wider and more integrated into the front fascia, flanked by dramatic boomerang-shaped LED daytime running lights that instantly set it apart from the crowd. The main headlights sit lower in the bumper, giving the front end a layered, high-tech look. The hood has bold character lines that lead your eye to the sharply contoured side panels, creating a muscular stance without looking overdone. Along the sides, the Sportage carries a clean yet athletic profile, with a gently rising beltline and a slightly floating roof effect thanks to blacked-out D-pillars. Wheel options now range from sleek 17-inch alloys on base trims to eye-catching 19-inch designs on the top variants, with machined and gloss black finishes available for those wanting an even sportier vibe. The SUV's proportions are well balanced, offering a solid presence without feeling bulky, and ground clearance is just right for handling light off-road adventures while keeping step in height comfortable for everyday use. The rear of the 2026 Sportage continues the bold theme, with a full-width LED light bar connecting the sleek taillights, giving it a modern, premium touch. The rear bumper features integrated reflectors and a skid plate-style insert, adding ruggedness to the otherwise refined back end. Roof rails remain standard on most trims, ready for bike racks, cargo boxes, or weekend getaways. Kia has also expanded the color palette for 2026, offering a mix of earthy tones, metallics, and bright statement colors that cater to every personality. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Sportage lineup offers a range of powertrains to meet different needs. The standard engine remains a 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing around 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup is smooth and reliable, perfect for daily commuting and weekend trips, offering balanced acceleration and good highway passing power. Front-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive is available for those who want extra traction in bad weather or on rougher terrain. For those looking for more efficiency without sacrificing performance, Kia continues to offer the Sportage Hybrid. It pairs a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor for a combined output of about 227 horsepower. The hybrid not only feels lively thanks to the instant electric torque, but it also delivers excellent fuel economy, with estimates in the mid-40s for combined MPG. The plug-in hybrid variant ups the game even further, producing around 261 horsepower and offering over 30 miles of all-electric range, ideal for short commutes without using a drop of gas. The Sportage's ride quality is another strong point. Kia has tuned the suspension to absorb bumps and road imperfections while keeping the SUV stable and composed around corners. Steering is light but precise, making city driving and parking easy, while still feeling secure at higher speeds. Noise insulation has been improved for 2026, so wind and road noise are minimal even on the highway. For those opting for higher trims, features like adaptive cruise control, terrain mode select, and advanced all-wheel drive systems make the Sportage even more capable and comfortable. Step inside, and the 2026 Sportage greets you with a cabin that feels more premium than you might expect for its price point. The dashboard is dominated by a wide curved display that integrates the digital instrument cluster and central infotainment screen into one seamless panel. Depending on the trim, you get either dual 12.3-inch displays or a combination of an 8-inch screen with analog gauges. The interface is intuitive, responsive, and supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on lower trims, while higher trims get built-in navigation, premium audio, and additional connected features. Materials throughout the cabin are a pleasant surprise. Soft touch surfaces, high-quality plastics, and available leather or Syntex upholstery make the interior feel upscale. The seats are supportive for long drives, and there's generous space for both front and rear passengers, with excellent legroom and headroom. In the back, the Sportage offers one of the largest cargo capacities in its class, especially in the hybrid models that cleverly package the battery to avoid cutting into storage space. The rear seats fold nearly flat, opening up enough room for bikes, camping gear, or a big shopping haul. Technology and safety are another area where the 2026 Sportage shines. Kia's Drive-Wise suite of advanced driver assist features comes standard across the lineup, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add more advanced features like a surround view monitor, remote smart parking assist, and navigation-based smart cruise control that adjusts speed for upcoming curves and speed limits. Overall, the 2026 Kia Sportage is a standout in the crowded compact SUV segment. It blends striking design with a variety of powertrains, from traditional gas engines to advanced hybrids and plug-in hybrids. It's comfortable, tech-packed, and versatile enough to handle everything from daily commutes to weekend road trips. Whether you're drawn in by its bold styling, its efficiency, or its long list of standard features, the Sportage delivers a well-rounded package that's hard to ignore. Kia has managed to create an SUV that looks and feels modern while still offering the practicality and value that families and individuals need. The 2026 Sportage isn't just another option in the segment, it's one of the most complete and compelling choices out there.